And this is the rounding bottoms I've been talking about, aren't they? These are good buys, huh? Really good buy now, I think, on TRVL. I really think now is a really good time to buy, if anyone's interested. It's you're buying at a really good place. Not financial advice. This is the rounding bottoms I've been talking about. These are the right places. Yeah, when you see a little rounding bottom on TRVL in a bull market, this is a buy signal for me. We've held 5.5 cents without a problem, haven't we? So let's have a look at that daily level as well. Cleared that. Where's my fib? That's it. So we've had a clear hold of 5.5. This local volume area, we've come to the value area low. That's a clean hold. And also we're getting a little rounding bottom here. This is for me, this is a buy, just based on my knowledge of TRVL. And you've basically, what you've done is you've had a little breakdown of some kind of triangle, and you've basically bottomed out here on support. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Could it go down further? Yeah, I mean, it always could, but it's more likely to go up, to go down, to go up, than to just kind of go down. Okay, and so this is really, it's looking really nice. Point of control is still there, but I mean, if we can get some volume here, we can almost potentially flip the point of control here. If not, then clearing the apex of that triangle into support will be the next kind of, there will be a massive sign of strength for a bullish impulsive move. It's really that simple right now, I think, on TRVL. That's kind of how I'm seeing it, and I'm actually expecting, I actually think this is quite bullish right now, what I'm seeing. It might not be today, it might be tomorrow, just simply because the daily candle has closed lower. This next candle has to be a bullish reversal of this previous candle first, and then we could probably get out of this area cleanly. But a sign of strength right now, this is, I wouldn't consider this, I wouldn't consider this a sign of strength. It's a lack of weakness. It's like, it's a stronghold on a really important area that's holding. Yeah, the rounding bottom tells me that potentially the selling is over, and you've also moved enough. You've moved enough to warrant a good risk to reward ratio here. You see it move down 7-8%, and right now the invalidation is only 2.5%. You take it to the lows, it's 4%, and the risk to reward here is pretty good. Even just to take it to the highs, you've got a 10% move just in this kind of, just to go up to test the neckline of this triangle. You've got a good 10% move there on the card, so you've got a pretty good ROI here just on this little trade. If you know, you can't trade large volume here just because it's slightly low liquidity, so with a small volume trade, I think this is a pretty good trade, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's basically the trade. You suck a 1 to 4 risk to reward rate. It's pretty good, huh? It's not too bad for most trades. You would take that, huh? You would take that trade and see what happens. Sign of strength here would be get right back into the value, just flip this value area into support, get back above that point of control, or flip the point of control to the lower part of this range, and then maybe we can have an expansive move to higher prices. Okay, so I'm kind of thinking like that right now for TRVL, and that's basically my TRVL update. All right,